Alright, guys. It's William Jamie here. Welcome to my channel. So, you're watching a new series of video about game development using Unreal Engine. So it's a really exciting project for me, and yeah, I the trigger for me to share with you guys with the Unreal Engines that recently Unity has announced that you would charge a huge percentage for the game developers. And recently, I think they reversed that decision. I don't know what's going on, but but this event, I think, as a reminder for for all the developers, in fact, and the companies the companies that want to develop games, because you can't depend all your technology on a certain platform or on a certain engine. So yeah, if you can only develop a game on Unity, and then if you change platform, you can't do that. That's not okay. So I think a lot of the developers will just need to balance their skill on not only Unity but also Unreal. So I think that's the opportunity, that's a chance for us to learn something new. So that's the Unreal tutorial. So basically, the Unreal is it's another version of Unity, and we use that a lot into developing a first-person shooting game. I think it's most of the indie developer who want to use change that to Unreal Engine to develop first-person shooting game. And of course, you can use that to build a, say, ARPG game. Is really exciting, and I think I might add a specific tutorial for that. But if you ask me how would I choose between the Unreal Engine and Unity, I would say that if you want to develop, say, the a mobile game or game that can cross-platform and run smoothly, you should choose Unity, because Unity done a great job. It's doing a great job about cross-platform, and but if you want to get a really high the rendering results, as well as the say the light tracing, ray tracing, and all this reflective shadowy occlusion, all this fancy stuff going, as well as you want to make a specific dedicated to the first person shooting game, Unreal is the engine for you. And of course, if you want to balance your skill set and sort of like a hedge, like a hedge the skill set, you should learn the Unreal Engine as well. So yeah, so of course the first step will be just to download the Unreal Engine. You can just go to Unreal's Engine's website and download that. So currently it's I think it's the Unreal Engine 5.3, and if you're watching this video that you got a major update of Unreal Engine, you should choose that. And it's cross-platform, so you can use say Linux, you can use Mac, and you can use Windows, of course. Okay, once you download it and you open it, I think when you download it, you download the Epic game launcher, something like that, right? And this is my Epic game. Yeah, then you click this Unreal Engine and launch. Of course, you can choose different settings, and so for example, you can install multiple version of Unreal Engine. And right now, since I'm making tutorial, I'm going to just go with the latest Unreal Engine for that. Unless you are developing a project and the project is under development and you are not going to change that in a very short time, you can use a specific long-term support version. And right now, let's stick with 5.3. That's as new as I can get. Right. So once you already open that, you can just go to this launcher. You can just click game and make our first-person game. And we got the first-person, third-person, top-down. This will be a like the like the default preview again that can quickly get you started, and then you can say drag in the assets, and you can get things working. And right now, let's use the first person just to give you a little tour of Unity. Sorry, that's a bad habit of me because I made a lot of Unity tutorial. By the way, if you're interested in the game development, in app development, in artificial intelligence, augmented reality, and please subscribe to the channel. And as you guys can see, I'm a really small YouTuber and trying to reach that monetization hurdle yet, and I really need to that advertisement cash flow in order to make a living. So yeah, thank you so much for support. And yeah, so let's quickly test the Unreal Engine. So what I'm going to do is to choose the first person, and right now let's create that to create a blueprint C project, and of course you can use C++ for that. C++ is arguably the most difficult language that you're going to learn. So of course you don't need to go too deep using the C++, but yeah, let's start with blueprint just to get yourself familiar with the engine and the logic. And then you can write more customizable code with the C++, just as you can write more customization scripts using C# in Unity. In Unreal, we got C++, right? So I think as a programmer, most of the language should be just the logic. So it should be a piece of cake for you. Target platform, you can change to mobile or desktop. So let's just use desktop for now, because we're developing on the desktop, so it will be much quicker to test that. And the quality preset right now is maximum and scalable. I think the default is maximum, but you will see some of the strain on your computer depending on the specs of your computer. And starter content, you can add all that starter content and that contain say mesh and basic material texture. And if you want to quickly loading, you can just click it off. And the ray tracing will be they will adding a lot of strain to your computer, especially like me. I don't have a really high spec computer. I think this computer a few years old, and so I'm going to just switch everything off. And we got document real project name. Let's change it to my first project. Okay, and then you can create your project, and then let's wait a few seconds. Alright, after you have waited a few minutes, I think that when you open the Unreal Engine, it's always a pain because you have to having to wait a lot of times in order to wait for the shader to compile. So you have to wait for a few seconds. So basically, if you open that, there will be a starter project, the first person template, and let's test it out by clicking this play button, right? And of course you can using Option and P. So basically it's just a shortcut for play. So sorry, this is not Option, but rather it's Command. So Option P to play this. And okay, so we got our first person shooting. This looks pretty decent. And let me grab this gun. Okay, I got this gun. Alright, works pretty good. And we got this. Let me hit this one. Okay, we got physics working. We got this the walking animation working. That's pretty good. So that works pretty good, and I can even jump to a higher surface. That's pretty good. Alright, that looks pretty good. And if I hit it, I can move it. Alright, so I can get physics working. And you can see this ball bouncing around. Okay, I think that's pretty good. So so basically we can get our game working, and of course if you click exit, you can exit here. And right now the game is not played. If you click it, you will play this game. And remember, if you're at this state, you won't be able to just move like a first-person shooter game because you already exit the game. So if you use the secondary mouse, so I'm left-handed, so it will be a left key, and if you're right-handed, it should be your right key. If you click it, I think you can drag it and drag it up and down, left and right. You can actually move it, and once you let it loose, it will just disappear. So this would be a good way to look into the game. And I'm using Mac, so I'm using a magic mouse here, so I can use sort of like a touch board, like a trackpad functionality to move left and right by using just the one finger move above my magic mouse, so I can look up and down, left and right. Okay, so if I hold the left secondary key, this is right key, sorry, for you guys, if you are right-handed, you should use your right key. You can just pan inside this area. Okay, and amazing feature about Unreal Engine is that when you actually edit the thing, you can still, like you're playing this game, you can use the say WASD. You can get your character working by looking around. Okay, you can pan and you can move, and you can move left and right. Okay, so this looks really good. So you can say go to a specific corner and place a really small hidden item in a really small places, and you can actually go into the viewport of this game and then see how it goes. So it's really good and really convenient, of course, using this WASD while holding the secondary button. And once you click it inside, right now you click for mouse control, so you need to click it so you can actually control. Then you are in the game and you can have more interaction with the game. So let me grab them again. So I think that's pretty much for this video. So this will be a really short introduction video of the starting of the Unreal Engine and play around and the basic control when you're at a different mode. And I think at the next video we're going to actually maybe adding elements to this viewport. Remember, this is a viewport, and add that to our scene, and maybe just move it around to place our scene. Okay, so don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you really love this series, if you like to see more of this series. Please leave in the comment section. And I haven't decided which game that I'm going to develop using Unreal Engine, and maybe I'm going to just migrate some of my projects from Unity to Unreal Engine. I'm not so sure about that because as you guys can see, I got a digital audio channel as well as a music channel that made original music as well as the 3D model, 2D pixel arts myself. So as long as I got the logic right, I can write on any platform using my asset. So so that all depends on you. I try to build a community that's sharing ideas and make indie games and exchange idea for developing indie games. So so if you're interested, if we have fun ideas, please leave in the comment section, and I read every sections. I read every comments, and thank you so much for support. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumb up if you want me to continue this series. Right, so keep coding. Bye.